Would you like to learn how to make some yummy lemon parmesan garlic butter chicken wings? Just like this? You would? Good. Because in this episode of the Lisa D's Delight Show, I'm going to show you how to do it.
Lisa D Delight.
Okay, let's get started on these lemon parmesan garlic butter chicken wings by grating some Parmesan cheese. The exact ingredient list and measurements and such will be in the description box below. Now we're also going to need a little lemon zest. I'm gonna go ahead and grate me some and put it right on in this bowl that has some melted butter already in it. We're creating us a little seasoning paste concoction. And next I'm gonna go in with some ASIL, which is my own all-purpose seasoning. You can grab you some with the link pinned in the comment section, but if you don't have it, just use some seasoned salt and a little garlic and onion powder. And now I'm going to add some sazon as well as some smoked paprika. Use the smoked one now, because the regular paprika doesn't have any flavor. And now I'm gonna add in a little Parmesan cheese, as well as some fresh lemon juice. And then after that, find you a whisk and give it a good old stir. Oops, I almost forgot the garlic. I love garlic. Now I got my clean chicken wings here. Clean your meats, pumpkin. And now I'm gonna pour that delicious marinade or seasoning paste or whatever you wanna call it all over the chicken. Flip them over, get the other side too, and then add some fresh lemon and cover with aluminum foil and then let it marinate overnight if possible, but if not, it'll be alright. Now we're gonna bake the chicken wings covered at 350 for about 1 hour or until the internal temperature reaches 165 degrees. But be sure to remove the foil about 15 minutes before the chicken wings are done cooking so that they can brown up. And then after that, it's done.
Lisa D Delight. Got noises in my stomach, so I guess I'm feeling hungry. I click that YouTube Lisa D so I can kill this rumbling. But when I'm in the kitchen, don't know what I'm doing, stumbling. This time I try to cook, I burn it all, it was so humbling. Lisa, help me please, yeah. You got what I need, yeah. Help me split these peas, yeah. You got recipes.
These lemon parmesan garlic butter chicken wings came out so good. All I have to do now is think of a shorter name. Anywho, I hope you enjoyed the recipe. After all, I was just trying to help your palate. God bless you. Bye-bye.
So good. Make sure you like and subscribe.